Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change theme in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here, then go to themes. And here select top and click on this arrow icon and click on free button. So top free will be chosen here, and from here you can select any theme. Okay, so here I would like to choose this theme and click on download, and the theme will be changing. Just wait, it will be downloading and installing. Just wait. Download is going on. Just wait. Click on apply now, and yes, theme has been now changing. Just wait. Yes, theme has been changed to what I selected here. Okay, suppose if you would like to change back to default theme, again go to the same settings, then go to themes, and here you go to click on my stuff. Click on my stuff and select default one and click on apply, and theme will be changing back to default theme. Okay, just wait. Yes, so in this way you can easily change theme in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.